How was it like when you had your first child? Like, did you feel the love?
I did not feel the love instantly.
My kid comes out for 2 days in the hospital. I'm staring at it and going,
Today we have an amazing guest with us, someone who has taken parenting, humor, and married it together and taken it to the next level. Harpriya Bains, welcome to Love Roller Coaster.
Thank you so much.
your parents will be like, have a child, have a child.
Haan.
We're all there. When the child comes, that they're not there. It's pretty much you.
Gaon walo, where are you?
I think the biggest thing nowadays is, that extreme hypersensitivity.
Everybody didn't have an opinion about everything under the sun.
Exactly.
Nowadays, because of social media, everyone wants to talk about everything. Everyone is judging you, so that is why you are more mentally affected now.
What do you think is one thing parents today get wrong about parenting in general?
I think the one wrong thing that some of the parents still are doing is not talking to their child.
All right, welcome back to Love Roller Coaster. I have Mrinalini, my co-host, and today we have an amazing guest with us, someone who has taken parenting, humor, and married it together and taken it to the next level. If you haven't already seen Carry On Mummy or Call Me Bruh,
Yeah,
you
that's
really missed out. These are two videos that have gone absolutely ballistic on the internet. Harpriya Bains, welcome to Love Roller Coaster.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. I'm very excited to have this conversation today. Yes.
So Mrinalini, you and Harpriya have been talking, and there's been a lot of things that you have in mind. So how are we starting this one out?
So today we're going to talk about parenting and how we handled our children and how children are handling us and what is the world coming to for our kids these days and for us. So Harpriya, how was it like when you had your first child? Like, did you feel the love?
That's a very good question, and I have a controversial answer to that, which is this: that I did not feel the love instantly. It did not. I mean, of course, you're overwhelmed with the whole thing of, I think I was just overwhelmed with the whole feeling of producing another human being out of my body. So that was a very overwhelming feeling. But of course, I was happy, excited. But वो जो like they say ना, that वो instantly वो बेबी को देखते ही वो ममता जाग जाएगी, वो ऐसे ममता ऐसे नहीं जागी थी मेरी. तो instant वो नहीं हुआ था. I mean, I was very I was very overwhelmed, and I was very, I was like, how will life be? Things just changed overnight, and you're like, acha, abhi sara raat baby's not sleeping, and I have to feed the baby, and ye potty kar raha hai, and ye kar raha hai. So I was slowly, in fact, first day I was still fine. By second day, I was getting into that mode like, oh my God, what happened?
Panic attack.
Yeah,
What have I done?
Yeah. What have I done? It's like, how is life going to be now? Like, I cannot leave this little creature who's completely dependent. It's like stuck to me all the time. So wo thoda sa, I was scared. Yeah.
So I had the same experience.
हाँ.
You read it in books
Yeah.
that the minute you see a baby, you know what love is all about. You finally realize what love is.
हाँ.
My kid comes out for 2 days in the hospital. I'm staring at it and going,
Yeah.
I don't know, what have I just done? Like, what is this?
Yeah.
I don't know what to do with it. I didn't even go near him. I was in shock.
Yes, I did a,
And the nurse actually is looking at me going, she was a Malayali nurse. And she's going, take some interest in the baby. And I'm going,
how? Andar se nahi aa raha.
and then, on the way home, I had him, in my arms, and we were driving back home after the hospital. I think just about 10 minutes before the house, I just started crying.
Yeah.
I burst into tears. I was howling, and I'm looking at this thing like, how am I going to keep it
Manage.
alive?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, not
It is.
him. How am I going to keep him
I know,
alive?
but that's how we.
And I was like, this wave of, panic hit and that sense of responsibility.
Yeah.
It's only like my mom luckily came and she
Yeah.
spent 2 months, helping
you.
out and everything.
That's
She took
such a
over the
blessing.
day job because the nights were hell.
Crazy.
Because you wake up crying all night. It was really freaky.
Yes,
But yeah.
absolutely. I agree. Absolutely. And that's, I in fact did one of the YouTube videos. It's called The Mummy Returns, in which I've talked about this only. I said, when the baby, this whole thing about planning kids and all, I was like just talking to the younger couples that, so it's samajh ke plan karo and all that, be ready for it and all that, because everyone tells you that कि जैसे ही बेबी पैदा होएगा ना तेरी ममता ऐसी जागेगी तेरी ममता ऐसी जागेगी. So I am joking like it's been 22 years. My elder one is going to be 21. अभी तक मैं ममता के जागने का इंतजार कर रही हूँ. So, I was literally talking about it, but I got so much of backlash on that video because we are, as women, we are just expected कि अब baby हो गया बस now all your love has to be pouring out, which is not always natural and which is not always true. And women need, now we're still talking about all that postpartum depression and all of that. We're talking about it now, at least because of mental health issues have become big. But it's still not a normal thing. It's still expected कि if you've produced a baby, come on, that's it now, start, your job starts now, show all the love, do it, right
Yeah.
now.
So the job
It
starts
doesn't-
now, but
yeah.
the love doesn't.
It takes time.
Okay,
It takes
you'll
time.
have the love, but I think people don't give that amount of weight to the fact that
Yeah.
with that love which will come obviously
yeah.
over time, like over the next few months when you get used to this little creature that is suddenly change your life completely.
Yeah.
And life as you know it is over.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And still we have, all the childcare is still, जितना मर्जी हम आगे बढ़ रहे हों, but it's still in the hands of the woman. It's still in the hands of the mother.
Yeah.
We still, I mean, अब हमारे अब के जो next generation के fathers आ रहे हैं, वो फिर भी थोड़े involved है. I'm sorry, आपके generation के काफी ज़्यादा
I
involved
was
है
very
नहीं.
involved. I was so involved.
Were you involved? Is that a joke? She's looking at you.
Yeah.
So
Maybe
yeah.
not on air, she don't want to say what she wants to say right now, but
Yeah.
yeah, no.
That's what I'm saying.
It was freaky for me as well, right? So yeah.
Absolutely, my husband and your generation of dads.
What you're saying is right.
Completely privileged dads.
On TV, I'm going to
हाँ.
roast him that badly, but yes.
Yeah.
Because-
They've not contributed. आजकल फिर भी I see कि थोड़ा parents, dads are contributing, which is good.
Some.
Some. Very, the percentage is still very less.
ये तो, I have to go to work.
It's not easy because the childcare is the caregiving activity.
Yeah, the response-
Everything is still on
And
the
the
mother.
funny part is that your in-laws and your parents will be like, have a child,
हाँ.
we're all there.
हाँ.
When the child comes, that they're not there. It's pretty much you.
You must
You
go and
handle-
go back and see that video of mine. That whole video talks about this, that that everybody is like, it takes a village to raise a child.
Yep.
But
No
when the
pictures of
child
mother.
is born, you're like, कहाँ गए गाँव वाले? गाँव वालों, where are you? So
I love that.
you don't know where they are.
Yeah.
And it's very, and okay, my mom and my mother-in-law also obviously pitched in, but we're also Fauji, so we got posted out eventually, and you're on your own.
See, how much can someone else help
कितना
you so
आएंगे
much,
ना,
right?
तो वही है. Most of the time it's taken for granted that the mother is okay. Now she's full of love for this little human being, so she will be fine. But mothers are not okay. We have our times where we cry in the bathrooms and we overwhelmed
Not
and we
just
are
the bathroom,
irritated.
crying all the time.
हाँ, रो रहे हैं, रात को गुस्सा भी चढ़ रहा है, and you're like, गुस्सा चढ़ रहा है, like,
And the kid is crying.
and you
you're
don't
like,
want to pick up the child.
and then you see your husband sleeping away, like
बड़ा गुस्सा
pretending like
चढ़ता है.
nothing's happened, like just, and you're like, who do I like?
Yeah.
Like, should I pick up the child or whack him?
Yeah.
Like, what do I do?
Yeah. And the moms will step in and they'll say, oh, इसकी जवाई की नींद ना बड़ी गहरी नींद है, बड़ी deep sleep में सोता है, deep sleeps like a baby. I'm like, no, the baby doesn't sleep.
Sleeping like a baby is the biggest
myth.
lie
Biggest lie.
ever.
You should
right?
say sleep like the husband. That is what it should be.
Man, we should
Because
have your
nobody-
husband come in here to
Nobody
also
sleeps
defend
like the
himself over here.
husband. Nobody sleeps like the husband. Hell
I
can break
swear.
loose.
Sleep like, you're right. Now we'll change the term to sleeping like the husband.
Yeah, it should be sleep like the husband. But yeah, I mean, those are the moments, yaar. इतना
Yeah.
आसान नहीं है.
Yeah.
It's आसान नहीं है. So many mothers now you see also that now people have you started talking about it. Moms are talking
No, it's
about
very
it.
cool to say, oh, my baby, and to show that, you're constantly, on top of things.
Yeah.
You're not. Like, at least I wasn't.
Right.
And I made all the mistakes with the older one.
Yeah.
All the mistakes.
yeah.
The poor guy was the experiment. Like every new thing that happened, I was in shock.
Yeah.
Every new stage, you're
Yeah.
like, how do I handle this?
Yeah.
And the little one, when that one comes, now that,
Yeah, like, बस हो गया बस.
बस हो गया, but you chill.
अब तुम चलो.
So same happened for you as well because you have
Yes,
two kids as well.
very much. I think very similar. The first child is, you kind of you want to do everything with the first child. You want to make sure कि वो कोई extra curricular भी कर ले, वो भी कर ले, number भी आ जाए, पढ़ाई भी कर ले, तू ये भी सीख ले, तू वो भी सीख ले. Everything you want to do with the first child. And as a child, and I think you have all the teenage issues I've had with my elder daughter. It's not even half with my younger daughter. वो सारे जो tantrums, issues, लड़ाई झगड़ा, power struggle that you have, the mother and the daughter. Daughters का थोड़ा वो भी हो जाता है ना, अलग वो आ जाता है, ego hassle आता है age में. So all that I faced with her. And I think, yes, to be fair to her, yes, I think we also subconsciously as parents, we do expect a little too much from the elder child. By the time the elder child is in 18, 20, then you realize, okay, not that easy. Oh, it's fine. The second one, we will just let go. There's a very good joke by Kanan Gill on this. He says the first child is a project. The parents tell the child that you will come first in class, you will get 90%, you will learn horse riding, you will learn swimming, you will learn Kathak, you will learn Bharatanatyam, you will learn everything, whatever. Okay, so you do all that. By the time the second child comes, you're like, you just go chill, go live your life. We tried everything with the first one, didn't work. So it's literally like that. It is like that. And maybe in the whole process, we are not fair to the first child.
Yeah,
I think
I
hamara
do
expectations hai, because now my elder one, she mothers the second one, and she will tell me if I'm वो छोटी वाली भी अब उसको पता चल गया है कि ये अच्छा है. Anything I scold her about, she will quickly message Didi, and Didi will message me. Why are you troubling her? आप उसको ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो? Please don't treat her like you treated me. I'm like, यार मैंने क्या अत्याचार करा तेरे साथ? So, she's like, don't get hassle with her. Don't tell her all this. ये वो. Please, you just created too much pressure with me. Please don't do that with her. So she tells me now, she also acknowledges that she was also rude. Like sometimes she says, Mama, I think I was very mean to you. I was very mean. I was so rude and all that. But then she also makes me realize that I was also very unreasonable. Yeah. It's both ways.
Like they say, right? No two children have the same parents.
Of course. Yeah,
Right?
yeah. True.
So
That is so true.
there are times where, when I'm yelling at my son, who's the elder one, and then I'm like, I know I'm being unreasonable. I know I'm actually being nicer to my daughter and being stricter with
Mean or
him.
whatever. होता है.
And I'm like, I don't know how to stop it at that time. But then I generally, when I realized that this was happening, I used to apologize. So then I became a serial apologist. I used to keep saying, I like scream and sorry. And then at some point, they started, the pushback came, right?
I think apology तो standard है. गलती किसी की भी हो, apology मम्मी ही करने जा रही है. That I think is a standard. Whether it's their fault, not their fault, I think I'm the only one apologizing to the whole family all the time. So that happens. But
You know how to apologize, right? Like even I apologize. But I think,
they don't
my
apologize.
son also apologizes. So he and I are very
You're
alike.
lucky. My
right?
daughter is elder one.
So the daughter doesn't apologize. So she and me are very alike. My son and I are very alike.
गलती नहीं होता तो apologize.
हाँ देखो ये ना, they live in this bubble ना, the older man and the younger man. No, the daughter, sorry. Yeah, fathers and daughters anyway, it's very different. The relationship is very different.
So tell me about, when bringing up Gen Z kids versus, our upbringing with our parents, like how is that really changed, and, how has it led to even bringing in your, brand of, comedy today and what you're doing on stage? I'd love to know about that as well.
I think the 90s kids, all of us, we are the last generation of, kids, tech-free kids, tech-free generation. And also we saw everything coming very slowly. So, धीरे-धीरे वो evolution, जो भी, चीजें आई, from black and white to color TVs and the tape recorders to the Walkman sets. And, we saw everything come very slowly from the computer to the laptop. So we've been brought up in that little slow motion. हम आराम से हमें चीजें भी बहुत we had to earn. Whatever we wanted. Like I tell my daughters that my first pair of branded Levi's jeans I got when I got very good marks in my 12th standard. That's when my grandfather gave me, whatever, $1,000 या कुछ की तू ले ले. And I was like, I'm going to buy Levi's jeans with this. That is what. I said, nowadays, branded चीजें तो तुम लोगों को ऐसे मिल रही हैं यार. तुम लोगों को कुछ है ही नहीं, वो कदर नहीं है. Because, and you can't blame them. That's the way things have changed. Purchasing powers have changed. The whole economies and the homes have changed. So many things have changed. And brands इतने आ गए, इतना visibility बढ़ गया. तो हम लोग जो slow motion में बढ़े ना, आजकल बच्चे वो fast forward एकदम हो गया. So that processing of the information ना उनको हो रही है ना हमको हो रही है. मुझे ये लग रहा है. matlab we are also the last generation of I think human beings who have who listen to their parents and also listen to their children. We are that sandwich generation, I feel. क्योंकि हम अभी भी अपने पेरेंट्स से डरते हैं, even now.
Oh yeah.
है ना, we are still like, I'll go to my dad or something and he will still have the authority to show me the eyes की, what is this, like what are you doing, and all. I'll be like okay fine whatever. आजकल तुम बच्चों को आंखें दिखा लो, वो आंखें निकालो खोल के.
सही है.
They're like, they don't care. So you know, things have changed so much. I think it's too much. मतलब उनके टाइम में स्लो मोशन में तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना. They've seen technology move so quickly. What most of our generation, we've always complained about, like whether you see it in your comedy, whether you see it in, you know, people talking about mental health or talking anything about it, people always refer that our parents didn't understand us. वो बहुत एक बड़ा point है कि हमारे वहाँ में थप्पड़ लगा के हमें कर दिया, कभी सुना ही नहीं, ये नहीं है. I mean, you see a lot of funny reels about it, but yeah, the fact is there was a gap between our parents and us. वो एक air होती थी. एंड ना उन्होंने कभी उसको कम करने की कोशिश करी, ना हमारे में कभी हिम्मत थी कि हम उसे कम करें. सो वी डिडंट चैट विद आवर पेरेंट्स एज फ्रेंड्स. We chatted, है ना, of course not. We were like,
She I think has an equation where she's very friendly with her mother.
I mean, for me, I would say it came much later when I was grown up like that. Now, okay, fine, my mom and me we would talk about anything under the sun. But when you're growing up, वो एक डर था. मम्मी का भी था, पापा का भी था. पापा का तो भैया भयंकर था. So वो था. But we are as, you know, हमें अब लग रहा है कि, you know, we shouldn't be parents, you know, we should be friends. We like going to our kids, we're saying, oh, we want to be the cool parents, you know. So I think हम कहीं ना कहीं confused हो चुके हैं, because we are trying to be friends, but I think they have blocked us. They don't want to be friends.
सही बात है.
This is one-sided friendship happening at the moment. They are not ready to accept our
And I
friendship.
think you mentioned that one of your videos also, right? Where you befriended your one of your daughters
Yeah,
on Instagram.
yeah.
And then they eventually went and
She
blocked you.
blocked me. Yeah. So they don't want to be. अब हम फंस रहे हैं. वो हम चाहते हैं बच्चे कि हम cool parents बन जाए, but they don't want us to be in their space. अब वो suddenly वो boundaries हो गया. My daughter, the word she's using a lot these days. You should respect our boundaries. You should respect us. Yeah, what is boundaries? क्या आ गया?
And what is the space and boundaries? In India, you can't have space and boundaries. This is not possible.
हाँ, तो अब
and this is the reason why our society is not as bad as the rest, where, you know, like there is so much mental
Yes,
issues.
yes.
It's because we don't allow anyone to have boundaries in the
Yes,
family, right?
yes.
So
So-
everyone's in each other's spaces.
Absolutely.
But that's another thing, you know, like, so there is this soft parenting.
Yeah.
And there is, you know, strict and firm parenting.
Yeah.
Where do you think you fall? Because I'm a strict parent. Like,
Can
I was very,
Can I say a very like
I can't do
as a
soft parenting.
So I'm not a outright soft parent. I can be strict when I have to be. Like I said, like with the elder one, I was super strict. अभी छोटी वाली के साथ I'm pretty lenient. So I think trying to strike a balance. I want to be the parent, because you know what I've eventually realized is that we should remain parents, because they will have 10,000 of friends.
Yeah,
I think we are getting that little bit confused. थोड़ा वो line हम blur करते जा रहे हैं कि हम दोस्त बन जाएं, cool बन जाएं. But उसके चक्कर में ना, if we stop being parents, that's where you start losing it. That's
where do they learn their values?
And it's not about
their
control.
discipline?
Yeah. It's not about, you know, trying to own them or trying to control them or whatever. It's about showing them the right path.
Yeah.
Because as parents, हम जहाँ पे you have to be stern, you have to be stern. Where there are times where you have to say no, because the child will not see through. This is not good for the child, and it's not happening in the right way. You have to teach the child to be a little patient, and something better will come or something. But बच्चे कई बार वो देख नहीं पाते. अगर हम उनके दोस्त ही बन के रह जाएंगे तो हमें, हाँ बेटा तू कर, कोई बात नहीं, तू कर, ये भी कर, तू वो भी कर. But उसके चक्कर में, you don't know, the बच्चा भी थोड़ा lost हो जाएगा. So I think they'll have tens and thousands of friends, but we should remain parents.
And somewhere I read, and my mom keeps saying that
Yeah.
children need to be told
Yeah.
what to do.
They need the discipline
Okay, they
also.
need that discipline.
Yeah.
And also, you know, just indulgences.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
when your child wants everything,
Yeah.
they'll obviously want
Yeah.
everything, right?
Yeah.
I want this, I want that. So, like a lot of parents can't say no. Acha, you want this, beta, take it. You want this, take it. Le lo. But for me, I was like, no, you will not get it.
Yeah.
I will, you know, either
You earn it.
either you earn it. So now my daughter wants something, and she's like, "Mama, can I get it?"
तो कुछ task दिया.
So then I was like, okay, so if you want it,
हाँ.
I'm not into their studies that much. Okay,
हाँ,
so I don't care that much about studies.
Marks, yeah.
But I do care about character development.
Yes.
So she started saying that, I'm a little, I'm getting a little stage fright with it. So I said, okay. She said, Mama, if I do really well in my exams, can I get it? So then I was like, okay, you can get it if you don't faint and like fall apart playing your piano recital.
Oh.
Okay. And one more thing, when it came to like character development,
Yeah.
I said, if you do these two things without fainting,
then you'll get it.
then you'll get it and you pay half.
Yeah. That's true.
So
Yeah, same. So हमारा भी similar होता है that whatever pocket money they get and all the money that they get from nani dadi and everything, they keep putting it, saving it. So I say, yeah, तुम कोई महंगी चीज लेनी है, we'll put in half the money, but you better save half of it at least. And बाकी भी जैसे अभी बच्चों के शौक भी आजकल कोई सस्ते शौक तो है नहीं.
सस्ते शौक नहीं.
So my younger one has this. Chalo, both my girls are into books a lot. They're reading. So books तो चलो they used to buy. अपने pocket money से ले लेते थे. But the younger one suddenly got this fad of listening to vinyls. Okay, so she has good
that
taste
can
in
be
music.
a
She learns piano.
expensive hobby.
So she learning piano. She has great taste in music. वो जब तक Spotify तक था, I was very proud. Wow, very good. You have great taste. You listen to all the good classics and
Now she wants
she would
LPs.
listen. अरे सडनली शी लाइक मेरे को तो वाइनल लेना है, ये लेना है. मतलब आज पहले तो मैं सोचा हाँ ठीक है, कितने का होगा, 10,000 से हैं भाई साहब, 7,000 का एक आ रहा है, कोई 8,000 का एक आ रहा है. I'm like, hello, for this you have to save the money. I'll buy you one for your birthday and whatever. बस बाकी this. फिर वो कोई abroad से आ रहा है, her mama's coming somewhere. So I said, even for them, you can't just keep telling them मेरे को 4 vinyls लेके आ जाओ जी, Taylor Swift का latest album आ रहा है, अभी वो आ रहा है. So I said, you can ask them to gift you one, but if you want more, you tell them I will pay you. You save your money and buy it.
Yeah.
So then she realized कि हाँ ठीक है, ये तो महंगे शौक मैंने पाले हैं. But वो धीरे धीरे, she saved up. So that was good. The elder one wanted an iPhone. I said, you want this latest वाला आ रहा है, ठीक है, this is this much, we'll pitch in this much, बाकी तुम अपना save करो. So वो थोड़ा वैल्यू लाना जरूरी है, नहीं तो आजकल तो पैसा तो ऐसे अंधाधुंध निकलता है यार. पैसा is children don't value it because there is so much. We've also become lenient now, but that's where as a parent you need to keep getting control and showing
and
them the real
teaching
picture.
them the value of it, right?
Value of
I mean, you get something so easily.
Yeah.
You're never going to value it.
it.
Like,
Correct,
it's
correct.
like, I want a guitar, and the guitar comes.
Yeah,
And then you'll be like, okay. But if you, slog to get the guitar,
Yeah.
then
They
you
don't-
will play
yeah,
it.
They don't see, they don't, always they don't tend to miss out the hard work that their parents are still doing
Yeah.
to get there.
Like my parents were different, like breed altogether. So if I wanted something, they'd like earn it.
Yeah.
So and so hence even at the age of like 6 or 7, I started like a comic book library to make some money, or then I
Yeah.
was like making card games
Wow,
and board games when I was
amazing.
16, 17 and all
Yeah.
that. But yeah, it just became this thing of earn it. My dad would say, you want
Yes.
something big, go and earn it.
Yeah.
Like I remember I had to buy my first car, and like second-hand Maruti Zen and all that.
Ah.
And he said, go and take a loan yourself.
Yeah. Wow.
And yeah, I mean, it must have been 20 or something, but
See, that takes
Yeah,
so much of
yeah.
character building. Now, this is what it is, because then you'll always value it. You will always value it.
what do you think in terms of impact of social media, peer pressure? Because these are big things.
Yeah.
And we can keep our own, boundaries
Yeah.
and keep our own, let's say,
Yes.
walls. But peer pressure,
It's a
Instagram,
lot. It's greater than we have ever, I think, imagined when the internet came out, because again, like we've done it, we've got into it slowly. We still, I mean, even we get addicted to it, but we still know how to get off it, because we still have our old things that we want to do. We want to meet our friends. We want to, watch just a
Right.
program on TV or do whatever. But these kids, especially, I think, और मैंने तो ये जो फर्क है, even within my 2 children also I've noticed a difference. Like my elder one initially was like, she's not into games and all of that. उसका फिर भी कम था. The younger one is that generation जो बिल्कुल ही the social media was like bang on, and COVID happened, and then your online classes are happening and all of that is happening. तो वो तो बिल्कुल sucked in to that है. That phase of laptop is continuously on in their room all day, and it's scary. Like, and because things have changed now, teachers are giving homeworks on laptops, so you don't know where to draw the line. वो कुछ भी उनको बोला तो homework कर रही हूँ, मैं तो ये कर रही हूँ.
And you can't keep checking. Are you doing your homework or not?
How will
Because
you
then
check? How will
you'll
you
go
check?
bonkers.
You can't. So it definitely has a great impact, because kids also tend to see all sorts of nonsense. क्या filter करोगे तुम?
No, and inadvertently, you're watching something, you're on YouTube, some rubbish will just
Rubbish
pop
will
up in between and you don't realize.
Yes, and it affects this why I think this whole mental health is also come because children are continuously, like for example, body shaming.
Yeah.
Kitna zyada, because children, or as young as like 14, 15, are becoming so conscious of their looks, of their skin color, of their hair, of pimples, of
But
everything.
it was the same with us, yeah.
But हमारा इतना
See,
नहीं
but
फर्क
we didn't
पड़ता था.
have,
हाँ.
Instagram and all that to show us, how
Exactly. See,
crappy our life is supposedly.
Haan,
Okay.
haan.
But the fact is that we had all those issues, we hated our bodies, we hated our faces, we hated
but
everything
at
about
the end of the
ourselves.
day, I think we didn't care much. हम शाम को फिर भी वही दोस्तों के साथ
हाँ.
खेल के भी आ रहे हैं, 2 घंटे बाहर जा रहे हैं outdoor.
It
I mean,
wasn't-
it was not
yeah.
playing on our minds 24/7 because
That's
we
true.
had physical activities to do.
Yeah.
We would, go to school, we would come back, even if we were conscious about something, शाम को 5 बजे we were out. We were out for 2-3 hours. We were doing something, whatever. That
Yeah.
I don't think it was playing on our minds consciously. Like I was a very skinny girl. I was very
Yeah.
skinny. I had a very big foot size, which I still have. तो मेरे, I was known as Donald Duck in my boarding because वो जूते मेरे बहुत बड़े होते थे. And I was very skinny, lanky legs. हाँ, तो फिर वो मेरे को गर्ल्स बहुत टीज करती थी कि वो डोनाल्ड डक लग रही है, डोनाल्ड डक लग रही है, तेरे जूते इतने बड़े हैं, whatever. I was very very skinny, lanky, and I had long hair. 2 गुत्ते मेरी मम्मी ऐसे, I tell my mother sometimes, सर आप मेरी इतनी टाइट गुत्ते 2 तेल थूप के ऐसे बनाते थे. You made sure that I looked like the ugliest in the class. She तभी तो आज इतने अच्छे बाल हैं. So yeah, whatever. So but I don't know. I would feel bad once in a while, but it didn't bother me 24/7. But now when I tell these stories to my daughters, they're like, you were bullied. Your daughter, your friends
Yeah.
called you this.
You're fat shaming. You're
हाँ.
so I'm like, learn
अरे
to deal with it.
Doggy को fat बोल दो, वो बोल
I know
देता है कि
exactly.
fat shaming.
You can't call somebody fat.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're body shaming, you're fat
Yeah,
shaming.
yeah.
I was like, dude,
मतलब I think थोड़ा over हो गया.
It's
थोड़ा
too
over
much.
हो गया. They are.
So true.
This is not the only
oversensitive,
thing you need to think
overhyper.
of.
And I keep telling my kids, and I think
हाँ.
my kids now have got it.
हाँ.
So my son, I remember sending him a message about, it was a roast.
Yeah. Yeah.
So he writes back saying, considering I've been roasted by you so badly, since I've been roasted by my mother so badly, he says, I have developed a very thick skin now. So I'm like, I'm very happy to hear that,
Exactly.
So he's like, oh my God. My daughter, she's still a little sensitive, but I'm like, you just deal with it. Someone calls you skinny, someone calls you whatever. I said, just deal with it because
Yeah.
whatever matters is your opinion about yourself, na?
And and that's what I tell them. I said, abhi to, this is home. You're still in the safest atmosphere. You're with your friends, your home, whatever. I said, but when you join an organization where you work, I mean, in our times, I don't know abhi kya hai, corporate culture mein, when I used to work, we had bosses scream at us left, right, and center in front of people. Okay, so wo gaaliyan wale bhi, I worked in an ad
Yeah.
agency. So ad
Yeah,
agency culture was
Very,
very,
very toxic.
हाँ,
Yeah.
very, okay. So we've had very bad behavior in whatever. Now I look back, I'm like, हाँ, yeah, so and so did speak to me so badly, whatever this time. But उस time यार ठीक है, अब हो गया, अब काम. It was like it wasn't just me. It was like everybody at my level was being screamed at or something was happening.
Very true.
So I tell my daughters, I said, I don't know how much of corporate culture has changed that way. I said, maybe things are better, but I can still assure you, bosses will be bosses. Someday somebody will come and tell you something in front of 10,000 people. How will you react? I said, तुम क्या नौकरी छोड़ते फिरोगे हर बात पे? I said, तुम नहीं कर सकते वो. It is to be a little prepared for the real world because right now you expect apologies from everyone. You expect someone to always speak to you nicely. Oh, इसने मुझे ऐसे बोल
doesn't
दिया.
work like
Whatever. Now you break off or I don't want to talk. I said, yeah, बेटा real world में ये नहीं होता है.
और आगे जाके नौकरियां कहाँ मिलेंगी? I mean, already when you look at the graduating batch of colleges today,
Yeah.
मतलब most batches, 85% of the kids don't even have a job offer.
Yeah.
Right? And
That
people are
to
firing
retain
like
that
crazy.
job is another thing.
I was in Hyderabad yesterday.
Yeah.
We were meeting all these tech companies. कोई बोल रहा है मैं 10,000 निकाल रहा हूँ, 5,000 निकाल रहा हूँ. So we do welcome kids. लेकिन नहीं, अभी तो farewell kids का बताओ. So like when we let 5,000 people go,
Yeah.
what are we going to give them? I'm like, that's just
Yeah, and then you
crazy,
want
right?
those lavish lifestyles that तुम एक चीज की तुम्हें आदत पड़ चुकी है, वो चीजों के बिल देने में जो पैसा लगता है बेटा वो कहाँ से आएगा? So you need to have a little patience to retain those jobs and to not just retain jobs, I mean to retain relationships, whether it's with your boyfriend or girlfriend or whether it's with your boss or whether it's with your parents or friends, because it takes a whole lot of work to retain relationships, which is I think very very huge, which somewhere I guess the kids may be missing a point. क्योंकि आसान नहीं है.
We had a guy in office once, and he asked a question, to one of our people in one senior management when he was leaving, and all he said is गधे जैसी बातें मत करो. Okay, this guy comes to me next day, से मुझे गधा बुलाया गया.
Oh God.
ये मैं resign कर रहा हूँ. I'm like dude, like first of all, I got the context, and it's not like you were called a gada, but it was something very similar.
Yeah.
And when you look at what's happening online on some of the videos that have come up of some bank shack, and the way they're talking, I said, boss, यहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं है. And I said, I don't think the intention was that. He said, मेरा तो यहाँ काम नहीं चलेगा. I'm like, then go यार, मतलब what can I say?
वो अभी कुछ हुआ था ना
viral
अभी some time back, Gen Z resignation letters. उसमें भी कुछ ऐसे ही था ना that I've forgotten, but something like that. Some very trivial reasons why people are just quitting. They're like, ये मेरे को तो नहीं करना. But I'm like, यार कैसे? How will you? And it's easy to say I'll start something on my own. That's another ball game. If you think that whole dream life of starting a startup and something will happen, you need to have the experience. To you need to be there in the real world. So वो थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कि it's very important for kids to become resilient. But I don't know if we are able to make them understand that, because I feel like you were talking about parenting. मुझे लगता है जैसे authoritarian parenting होती थी, authoritative parenting, फिर helicopter parenting आ गई. I think our generation, I'm going to use these planes.
They were like, you get out and do whatever you have to.
मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, हमारे generation of parents, we are like the धोबी का कुत्ता parenting. हम ना तो यहाँ है ना वहाँ है. We don't want to be as strict as our parents.
Yeah.
We want to become the friends, but they don't want to become our friends. So we are just stuck in the middle trying to sail through. कि हाय हमारे बच्चे थोड़े टफ भी हो जाएं, अच्छा इनकी मेंटल हेल्थ को भी इफेक्ट ना पड़ जाए, अच्छा ये थोड़े सॉफ्ट भी रहें, थोड़ा समझदार भी रहें, सबके साथ टच में भी रहें, लेकिन इतने स्ट्रांग हो जाएं कि नौकरियां कर लें. तो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I feel that the only way is to talk to the children. Talk to the children is keep the communication going. But again, like I said in my video, how? Because hello, you also have to talk back.
What I found, that whatever you have to do, you have to do consistently shuru se.
Correct.
From when they're small, you can't say, at like about 12, 13, say, beta, talk to me. You can't do that. You have to start at that, when they start going to school. And, so what I used to do with the kids is, school is awful. It's such a traumatic experience for most children, So when I would see them, in class 2, 3, 4, whatever, I say, okay, talk to me.
Yeah.
Just talk to me. Whatever you want to say, you just talk to me. I was in boarding school. I have faced everything that you all are going through.
Yeah.
And if you talk to me, I will probably be able to give
Help
you
you.
some answers.
Yeah.
I'll probably be able to teach you how to deal with it yourself. And as a result, they started talking to me.
That's important.
And, the fact is they can come to me and say
Anything.
And I told them, I will sometimes judge you, but I will try not to judge you because I am human myself.
She tells me, my daughter, she's like, if I'll say na ki acha ye aise kyun hai waise, she's like, stop being such a judgmental auntie. I said, darling, I'm 47, I am a judgmental auntie. I will be. So you have to give me that. I said, in my generation, we are trying our best, trust me. And Arundhati Roy, I don't know if you've read her latest book, Mother Mary Comes to Me, because her mother was also extremely strict, and the whole book is about that. So, but how she still has that bonding and how she feels so strongly about her mother, because she says that parents bhi to first time hi kare na, parents also doing it for the first time. There's no school which educates you in this. There's no college which is giving you training of how to be a parent. You just have a baby and you're on the job.
See, now we have WhatsApp University, but they didn't have all that.
Yeah, which is also crap, by the way. But
True.
But
so much
every parent is learning on the job, and at the end of the day, most parents think the best for their child. उनको लगता है हमारे तरीके से यही बच्चे के लिए बेस्ट है, so they do it like that. तरीका गलत हो सकता है, so इसलिए somewhere कुछ गलत भी हो सकते हैं, कुछ सही भी हो सकते हैं. Maybe some things they didn't do right and it left a mark on the child or whatever. But the intention was always good.
So this wisdom comes only when you're grown up. Right?
Later.
As a child, you don't think that your parents have good intentions. You're just like, you're blocking my path to joy.
And sadly, that is when वो एक rift बच्चे के mind में आ जाता है ना, वो बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है. Like after this video, like Call Me Bro video, suddenly I've become like this, people are calling, like Gen Z following मुझे आई. and the kids who are calling me like baddie auntie and all that. Okay, so all that I was enjoying that till the time where some kids have started actually, you know, sending me DMs and all with their problems, and then I realized ki, oh my god, kids are actually, and my daughter was also telling me, she said, you know, you don't know, kids, you know, very sensitive, and people are going through, you don't know, people, there are children who can't even tell their parents that they need help or they need therapy because parents don't want to listen. So I see some children wrote to me that, you know, how can I tell my mother that I'm gay, or how can I my mother doesn't, आप तो बड़े cool लग रहे हो, my parents don't talk to me at all. So there are parents which I feel so sad. I feel कि मेरी generation वाले parents तो यार समझो अपने बच्चों को, like
that's
don't be in that, like this is where you know अपने बच्चों को आप दूर कर देते हो. So for that's what, like you were saying, that your children can come and tell you everything. Same thing I tell my girls. I said, you want to talk to me, don't want to talk to me, that's your choice, but I'm there. Me and Papa are always here. The door is always open. Anything under the sun, and I keep telling them, I said, कभी भी लाइफ में तुम ऐसे भयंकर प्रॉब्लम में हो ना कि जैसे होता है ना that you're literally falling into a well. I said, remember, we are the only ones who will get you out of it no matter what.
Exactly.
So keep that in your head. I keep putting that in your. I said, no matter what, somebody is troubling you. कुछ मतलब भगवान ना करे some weird, very bad problem you're in. I said, remember, your parents are the only one who will stand by you and they will get you out of the problem no matter what. So I said, remember that our door is always open. तुमने दरवाजा अपना बैंग करके बंद रखना है, वो तुम्हारे ऊपर है. But we are always there. So when you want to talk, come to us. So I feel that channel, all parents,
Should be
especially I
open
feel my
always.
generation, क्यों हम हमारे generation में भी अगर अभी भी ये चल रहा है कि you know children, you know, like people have boyfriends or girlfriends कि क्यों girlfriend बना रहे हो, intercaste girlfriend क्यों बना रहे हो, LGBTQ issues. अब you know, please move with the times is what I tell people कि भैया अब ठीक है यार, get over this whole thing. Because what is more important? Isn't it your child's happiness?
Yeah.
But now you want to just keep maintaining that image of yourself in the society, or you want your child
To be
next to
happy.
you? Do you want to lose your child to that image? No.
Yeah.
So that I get surprised at that,
Yeah.
and I feel that's not a good thing.
I think from the beginning, you know, I remember sitting my son down because, of course, he was the first one, 4 years age gap between him and my daughter. And I told him, I said, no matter what you do, just remember, you know, I said, we are always on your side.
Yeah, we are always on your side.
Even if you've done something wrong, don't lie to me. Because if I go and then somebody says you've done this and you lied to me and said I haven't and you have done it, I'll be blindsided and then I won't know what to do. I will be very angry with you. But don't lie to me. But if you tell me the truth, even if you've done something wrong, I am still going to, like you said, help you get out of it.
Yeah,
Right?
absolutely.
So I said we are always on your
yes, we
side.
are always, and this is one thing that
That's
actually
something a lot of parents
don't do it. And you know, this is something that even like my dad was always very strict. My mom also, like, you know, when in those growing up years or teenage years, I wouldn't come and tell everything to my हमारे time में उतना वो हमारा नहीं था. But still, I remember my mother also always telling me. She said, you know, she used to say in Punjabi, like, कोई गल हो जाए, come and tell me. She's like, कुछ भी हो जाए, you have to please come and tell me. She said, we might scold you, we might give you one thappad, we might give you whatever, but remember, we are on your side, and ultimately, we will get you out of the problem.
But have you seen that this is this is progression parenting? So
Yeah.
what our parents did
Yeah.
for us,
Yeah.
like the safety we felt
Yeah.
with our parents,
Yeah.
is what we are passing down to our
It's still
children.
there. Yeah, of
So you
course.
know, like I think that, you know, parenting is so important. Like, you know, if you haven't had parents who are giving you that safety, you may not be the same with your kids.
Yeah.
Because we learn. Who do we learn from?
Who do we learn from? And you know, that's what I sometimes I tell my girls when they're like, yes, you guys can be too judgmental. I said, you have to give us some this thing that, you know, our parents wouldn't even understand this much. I said, we have come to this ki, okay, we are sitting and talking to you about whatever topic,
Right.
you know. I said, you have to give us this thing that we are, for us also, information is processed, you know, it's too much is happening too soon. So for us also, you know, watching our children 24/7 process so much information, and then we have to process, we have to understand how do we protect our children from this, you know, कि इसमें से हम कैसे निकलें. I say, you have to give us some this thing ना, थोड़ा हमें भी वो दो benefit of doubt कि we are on your side, but हमें वक्त तो समझने का. Don't expect कि हम भी सब कुछ एकदम से, you know, we'll be like, yeah, okay, cool, do this and do that. अरे मतलब इतना cool dude हम बन रहे हैं, बहुत है हम, हमारे माँ बाप को देख लो तुम.
सही बात है.
But you know, I think the biggest thing nowadays is, you know, that extreme hypersensitivity.
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
You know, and I think if you can teach your kids resilience, so we sent our kids off to boarding school
Very
a few
good.
years ago.
Yeah.
And I think that really helped
Yeah,
because
it
they've
does.
learned lessons that they would never have learned at
Yeah,
home
yeah.
and whatever. But it worked to their advantage. And of course, whenever they needed us, we were there. But I feel that, I keep telling my kids, please learn to, deal with rejection because you're going to get so much of it later on. Life, nowadays the whole world is so hypocritical, right?
Oh,
You're so
yes.
woke. Oh, you can't say this, you'll get cancelled for saying one small thing. But
yeah.
they are on their own are being so toxic towards everybody.
Oh, yes.
It's actually, in a way, I don't know whether it's less toxic than, our times when we were young or it's more toxic now. So there's a different, the woke toxic is also there.
मुझे
And the
लगता है
normal
more
toxic
है
is also
because
there. Yeah.
हमारे टाइम में भी होएगा मगर it was not talked about it so maybe it was like हमें नहीं पता you're living under a rock and you don't know what's going on and everybody didn't have an opinion about everything under the sun.
Exactly.
Nowadays because of social media everyone wants to talk about everything. Everyone has an opinion about
And
everything.
everyone's judging you.
Everyone is judging you so that is why you are more mentally affected ना obviously जब हमारे को पता ही नहीं कि कोई हमारे मन में क्या सोच रहा है तो हम नहीं थे affected इसलिए
Why
we were
do you
fine.
think anxiety is increasing? And now, anxiety has become a word.
Yeah.
I realized from childhood, like every day I would wake up in boarding school, I had like this high level of anxiety. I didn't know what that was. It's only now that I realize, oh, I had anxiety.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
now I have anxiety. I have, like everyone's like,
Yes.
like, okay. Sometimes, it's better not to qualify it
Yeah.
because
yeah.
then,
Yeah.
And the other thing is about boarding schools. I mean, you get judged. I mean, I was coming back from somewhere, and this guy was flying with me, and he was sitting next to me, and something happened. बच्चों की बात हो रही थी, तो I said, बच्चे boarding school में हैं. He said, अच्छा घर में कोई दिक्कत है, कोई problem है? I said नहीं. He says नहीं मतलब बच्चे के साथ कोई दिक्कत हुई होगी, इसलिए आप उनको वहाँ भेज रहे हैं discipline करने के लिए.
हाँ.
So this entire it's
Yeah.
such a negative connotation that you sent your kids a
Boarding-
away
like
to
a
boarding
punishment.
school.
A punishment. It's
was
not
it a punishment
punishment.
or is it a problem
Yeah.
between you and your wife, and hence you sent the kids
Yeah.
off? I'm like, no, dude,
No.
neither. Like
Yeah.
it
Why do
gives
you
them
want to get
certain
rid of
skills
them?
that they need.
Of course.
Yeah,
the
No, no, no.
resilience, that independence, they will never get.
Never learn. That's true, which I also like. I'm also from a boarding. My husband's from a boarding. And in our times, of course, the reasons to send a boarding was also because, public schools
Travel.
itne hote nahi, they travel. My
Yeah.
dad was also in a traveling job. So, wo hua tha. So, my husband was always very keen to send my girls also. But I don't know, us time meri mamta jaag gayi galti se. So I said, मुझे नहीं भेजना boarding में. So मैंने नहीं भेजा. But now when I look back in retrospect, I do wish I'd send them at least for a few years because वो जितना पंजाबी च कहते हैं ना बंदा बन जाते हो. Okay, you become a man out of whatever,
Son
out of a
make a
child.
man of him.
हाँ,
भाई
yeah,
जितनी भी
yeah.
लगा हुआ ना board हो जाता है.
Yes, so which is true because there are some things that you the discipline एक life का basic discipline आप एक life में सीख लेते हो ना in a boarding school it goes a long way. It stays with you forever.
Oh,
so
so
that is
discipline deserted me as soon as I got out of boarding school. Like after waking up at 6 a.m. and going for PT, whether it was raining or not, it was so traumatic.
yeah,
I
but
was like,
you'll still at least that feeling is there ना कि जब आपको उठना है आप उठ जाओगे जब कुछ करना है तो you
हाँ,
do it. So
yeah.
that you know the importance of it.
Yeah.
So that stays with you.
like when you
So-
have to do it, you'll do
हाँ,
it
you'll
no
do
matter
it,
what.
no matter you know the
Yeah.
importance of it कि जब किसी काम के लिए आपको कहीं पहुंचना है
Even
पहुंचोगे.
now, every time I go home, it's like 4 times. So if my mom meets me, I still get a lecture on discipline.
Discipline.
Every time. And my children are looking at me going,
Yeah. So like that worries me. Yeah, sometimes about my children because these days kids have no sleep time. They have no, मतलब वो I don't know when they're sleeping
Sleeping
at
at
3
2,
o'clock,
3.
4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And that whole I said आदि तो तुम लोगों की mental health, physical health इसीलिए खराब हो रही है. You awake since like 3, 4 o'clock. फिर सुबह कब उठ रहे हो, कब जा रहे हो. Lack of sleep is so huge.
once you have children, you
हाँ.
realize school mein, so you have 3 stages of children,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So initially when they're born, and then then toddler and young
Yeah,
children,
yeah.
school, you have those physical problems, this, that, and all that.
Correct.
Then adolescence,
उसके अपने
emotional
Correct.
problems, so you're dealing with all of that.
Yeah.
Then the pressure, college.
हाँ, of
I
course.
think some of the biggest stress parents have is like, from school to college,
Oh.
college admissions, I've seen people
Yeah.
in
Same, we have gone through
anxiety
that.
and trauma.
Arey, we have
because
gone through
they're
that.
like,
Yeah. Last year when 2 years back when my daughter was getting into college. So
Yeah.
that is, I mean, there's so much, yeah.
and more than anything, it's the safety angle of it. How do you keep your kids safe and not mentally and physically abused by people, or like how do you
Safety is a huge issue now. Yeah, that's the thing.
emotionally, they're having problems with their friends, they're having like the
So many
self-esteem issues. How do you build them up? That is, I find, the biggest
And that is why I,
issue. Like,
you
teach
see-
your child. How do you teach your child to love themselves? Because if you don't do that,
Yeah,
they'll
yeah.
forever be have problems.
So,
and
yeah.
also, some I've realized as parents, we've gone through
Yeah.
all the hardships, right?
Yeah.
I taking public transport at
Yeah,
college.
yeah.
You
Kids have not, yeah.
I mean, we had no, like, like sometimes you have like 2 rupees in our pocket and we still somehow manage to get to some place
Yeah.
and come back and everything, right? But with our children now, we are the ones saying, no, take the car. Or, like, we're trying to make life so easy for them.
Yeah.
That I sometimes, I just stopped one day and I thought, I was like, I did all of this. I, from Calcutta to Chennai, I took a
Traveled
second
alone.
class
Yeah,
train.
same.
This thing, like, not even AC, second
Second
normal.
class.
in
That's how we used to
summer,
travel. Yeah.
I mean, I've gone from there to everywhere. Like, like I've really done the worst kind of like
Yes.
night supers from, Calcutta to Bagdogra alone.
Yeah.
Lying literally flying at the back because, there's flying over bumps alone.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
I'm-
here
my
I
kids,
want
I
my
think,
son
yeah.
not to go through this. I'm like, what is wrong with me?
Yeah. I think the
You know,
only
we gotta
public
let them
transport
just go.
kids have taken is a metro. बाकी बस में तो गए ही नहीं होंगे बाकी उबर जिंदाबाद. That's what even public transport like buses also. आपको लगता है अब रहने दो क्या बच्चे जाएंगे
No, but
buses
then again,
में?
I still think that it is in our heads.
Maybe it is in our heads.
It is in our heads.
Yeah, it is. Like that's what I'm saying. Metro is the only transport, public transport that my girls have taken, and they'll go alone
It's
probably.
like,
But
even like Uber, acha.
Uber
send
कौन सी
the car
safe है
for
अगर
you.
ऐसे देखो तो.
I know. But then,
But भेज रहे हैं.
everyone's doing it.
Everyone's doing it. क्या
So
करो
it's,
इतना तो है
again,
ही.
I think, we are so overprotective
Yeah.
considering how we
Yeah.
were brought up. We've
We
become
are.
so overprotective, and that's somewhere I think we really need to just take a step back and say,
Yeah.
dude, now they're adults.
Yeah.
They will have to navigate
Figure
life
things
on their
out,
own.
yeah.
Yeah, like my elder one has
We
gone
can't
to
be there with
college.
them all the time.
Yeah, she's staying in the hostel in Pune and she's there and अभी वो कर रही है अपना मैनेज आ जाती है सब बट जब वो दिल्ली आती है घर आती है
हाँ.
देन आई बी अच्छा कहाँ जाना है ओके आई ड्रॉप यू शी लाइक मम्मा इट्स ओके आई कैन गो आई गो पता नहीं हम वैसे बन गए आई डोंट नो वैसे बन गए
Yeah.
सो व्हेन शी टेल्स मी शी सेड
I think it's a Delhi thing, though.
Maybe
I think it's a Delhi thing. So,
Hai,
I
hai.
mean, I lived in Bombay for 10 years before I got married. And then, so independent. But the
Yeah.
minute I came here, I was like, oh, okay. I think I'd
it's
rather take the
sad.
car.
Yeah.
Should we do a bit of a rapid fire as well?
Yes,
So
please.
Let's try that out. So first, thing that comes to mind, one sentence or whatever, or a few words. whatever.
Yes.
Okay. So strict parent or soft parent? Which one were you raised by?
Me, strict. Thoda mom was soft, but dad was a bit strict. Yeah.
Right. Your kids, when you ask them to do chores, how do they end up replying in 5 words or a couple of sentences? When you give them
No,
some chores.
mama. Abhi to kara tha. They're like literally that. Give me 5 minutes. That 5
This
minutes.
time
will-
just never come.
Yeah,
Never
my
come.
daughter doesn't even do it. I said, at least make your own bed. My son's so sweet. He makes his bed.
Yeah.
This
So-
one?
Yeah.
She'll agree. She'll say yes, and then
Yeah.
she'll never.
Haan,
do it.
yeah,
like
same.
the father. Just like him.
Siding the daughter.
No, just like him.
Just like him.
He'll say yes, but won't do it.
So till a few years ago, because now obviously the girls are older,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
screen time limit in your home, were they real numbers or was it a myth?
Yeah, till they were, I think in about 7th, 8th, I was pretty strict. So I was like, I would take, because they didn't have mobile phones then. They didn't have phones, so it would either be the iPad or the TV. So I was able to monitor it. I think the moment they got mobile phones, they both had it in 9th standard, से दोनों को नहीं रहा था. उसके बाद से, I tried to be, but slowly I think I've lost control.
And once they would have gone on Instagram and social media. then totally,
Yeah. The a younger one, I have allowed her now after she's finished her 10th boards. Elder one also went on Instagram, I think, in 11th standard. उसके बाद no control. Yeah, I had those apps also. वो होता है ना parent apps जो
controls and
हाँ ना
all that,
controls.
right.
So my husband and me and we had it all for the elder one कि उसका phone रात को 10 बजे बंद हो जाएगा and all that, and sometimes my husband would do that if she's in the washroom for too long with her phone. He would like lock her phone, and then she would suddenly open the door and go ramming out. What do you think? You would keep controlling me like that? She would like walk out of the washroom, and she would walk out the moment he said, and I would like, 1 घंटे से bathroom में बैठी हुई है, and he would like, okay, let me lock her phone. So we tried all that again with the elder one. The younger one के साथ तो भैया कुछ काम नहीं करा. Yeah.
The one phrase that Gen Z uses that makes you age 10 years instantly.
Oh, that makes you age 10 years. Yeah, there are a lot of things that they say sometimes that I don't understand. Age 10 years. One is bro. I hate it from the core of my heart.
I forbade it. I forbade
The
it
other
in my
one,
presence. I
the
said,
latest
"No,
one
bro."
is dog. It's a DAWG dog.
But that was our age also. Like,
था क्या
हाँ,
मुझे नहीं
हाँ,
याद मेरे को तो हम I don't remember this dog at all. I don't remember slangs much of my age. So I don't know age. I don't know what maybe, but it just irritate me. Some of the slangs just irritate me.
So, bro, we brought you
yeah,
that one.
yeah.
The most unhinged thing that a kid has said to you that actually ended up in one of your sets and when you're performing.
The unhinged thing. There are a few things that they've actually said to me. One was, which is in the latest one, where I used to tell my daughter. I was trying to like doing that comparison thing, that she has the so and so's child. She has a degree in swimming. She has a certificate in swimming. She has a certificate in debating. What do you have? She said, I have a life. So, it's actually there in my set. So I said, I have a life. She's like, okay.
So while you guys just spoke about this one as well, but your kids in 20 years, will they be in therapy talking about you or on stage roasting you?
100% therapy talking about it, maybe on stage also, but therapy for sure.
What's the exact moment that you realized that your kids are going to be your content?
The moment I stepped into comedy, I realized that content तो मैंने वो होता है ना कि क्या करें तो first thing went to my husband कि चलो पति के बारे में रोस्ट करो, and then I was like, these two किसके लिए पाल पोस के इनको बड़ा कर रही हूँ. Get something out of them.
What do you think is one thing parents today get wrong about parenting in general?
Like, I don't think there's any right or wrong, but I think the one wrong thing that some of the parents still are doing is not talking to their child. I think that communication channel needs to be really open and, always, even I say it that हमारे मम्मी पापा ने तो ऐसे करा था तो तुम भी ऐसे करो types. We all say it. But I think at some point, you have to come midway. And just because you went through a certain thing, don't make your kids go through the same thing. Make it easier for them. Make it simpler for them. I think, I know I roast the kids all the time, but they are going to be living in tough times. ना तो उनके पास नौकरी होने वाली है, ना वो बेचारे mental health और ये सब में वो हो रहे. And I also feel ना नौकरी होने वाली, ना relationships भी. आजकल बच्चे आपस में ही नहीं बात कर रहे, तो बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड में नहीं बनने इनके, तो क्या करेंगे? So I feel कि be a little easy on your children. I feel, yeah.
Was there a parenting moment, where you thought, like, dude, my parents were right all along. Things that they've been telling me is like so right. Now I finally get it.
All the time, I think. All the time. Our mothers used to always say, ना जब तुम्हारे बच्चे होंगे ना तब तुम्हें पता चलेगा. तो अब सब पता चल रहा है.
The funny thing is, I'm saying the same thing to the kids right now.
Yeah.
When you have your own kids, you'll know.
You'll know. Which is most of the things in hindsight, somewhere or the other, somewhere they were always right. Yeah.
And we are always right now.
Yeah. We are also always right. Correct.
So what would be one parenting trend that you think is complete nonsense and needs to be done away with?
It's running after your children all the time. Like I've seen in parks, I've seen everywhere, markets, हर जगह जो होता है ना, बच्चा स्लाइड पे बैठा है तो स्लाइड से पकड़ते हुए उस तो बच्चे को नीचे, अरे गिरने दो उसको, बच्चे को, let the child fall. So I feel that helicopter parenting thing that some of the parents are doing, ना कि all the time 24/7 on top of the head, वो नहीं है. You have to let go also of your child. That is wrong.
Have you ever felt guilty about creating jokes around the kids?
Never. Baddie.
So if your kids were listening to this episode, what would you want to say to them?
What would I want to say to them? Make your bed, please.
And what do you think they'd say back then?
Chill, bro. Let it be.
That was an interesting rapid fire. Has to be a goodie hamper at the end of the rapid fire.
Thank you.
your
Thank
way at the
you.
end of the episode as well.
Thank you. Thank you. I had fun too.
Yeah, thanks so much, for being on today.
Thank
Such
you
a
so much.
super fun conversation. Viewers, listeners, let us know what you thought. A different perspective, on parenting. As you've seen, two really chill mums who got together, on the podcast today, and just sharing their perspectives. I was just the spectator. But again, let us know your thoughts. Let us know what you thought, and of course, follow Harpriya. She has an amazing, amazing sense of humor. Great channel, doing some really good stuff in person on stages. Booked out like week after week, and it was really hard getting her here. But you're here.
No.
So
Thank you so much. I
for
loved
that.
being
It
here.
was
What a
an
lovely
absolute
chat.
pleasure.
And I'm always there whenever you want to roast kids. Call me again.
Sure. Thank you so much.
And
for
where can
coming.
people
This was
reach
so
you? Where
great.
can people find you? Just let our viewers and
So
listeners know about that as well.
you can follow me on Instagram at Harpriya Bains, which is my Instagram handle, and it also has I have a website harpriyabains.com, and as well as my YouTube channel is also called Harpriya Bains. So you can reach me anywhere. My contact details are also mentioned there.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so
for
much.
coming.
Thank you. Take care.